Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're transforming a small room into a haven for two siblings. Sharing a space can be tough, but with a little love and creativity, we can make it work beautifully. So grab your measuring tape and your imagination, and let's get started. Before we get swept up in paint swatches and cute throw pillows, we gotta start with the bones of the room. Grab your measuring tape and carefully note down the length, width, and ceiling height. This step is crucial. Knowing the exact dimensions helps us choose furniture that fits perfectly and avoids any unwelcome surprises later on. Choosing a theme is like setting the stage for a beautiful performance. Soft, complementary colors on the walls and larger furniture pieces create a sense of calm, while pops of their favorite colors in the decor add a touch of personality. In a small room, every square foot is precious. Bunk beds free up valuable floor space for playtime or studying. And don't forget about the space underneath. Built-in storage or a cozy reading nook can work wonders. Let's talk about maximizing vertical space. Installing shelves is like adding an extra room without building walls. And don't underestimate the power of pegboards or hooks. They're lifesavers for keeping backpacks, hats, and jackets off the floor and organized. Even in a shared room, everyone needs a little corner of their own. A curtain, a bookshelf, or even a half wall can work wonders in creating defined spaces for each sibling. Using different bedding or rugs is another subtle way to visually separate their areas while sticking to the overall theme. Storage is key in any room, but especially in a shared space. Think vertical. Tall cabinets that stretch towards the ceiling are your best friends. Clear bins with labels for toys, clothes, and art supplies will make tidying up a breeze. Homework seems less daunting in a bright and cheerful study space. If space is tight, a shared desk with two comfy chairs can work just as well. And don't forget the lighting. Good lighting is crucial. This is where the fun really begins. Encourage your little ones to put their own stamp on their side of the room. Those personal touches are what make a house a home, you know? Now for the finishing touches. Sheer curtains will flood the room with natural light, making it feel open and airy. Soft rugs or comfy floor cushions create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects their personalities and brings them joy. Clutter happens, especially in a kid's room, but there are ways to keep it at bay. Rotating toys and decor every few months is another great way to keep the room feeling fresh and exciting without overcrowding the space. Adding a touch of nature can breathe life into any room. A small, low-maintenance plant like a succulent is a great option. If you're worried about space, a pretty vase of fresh flowers or a piece of art featuring their favorite plant can have the same effect. And there you have it. By combining functionality with personalized aesthetics, you can create a beautiful and harmonious space that both siblings will love. Now go on and get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. We'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. Oh,